campaign later, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has ensured the BJP gets ready for a return to power with a bang. Tonight, pollsters predicting a big victory for the BJP in Maharashtra, ensuring the Congress is decimated. NCP left red-faced and the former ally Shiv Sena sulking.
They have been crying victim since the day of the split with the BJP, hoping to ride to power on sympathy of the voters. But the strategy could have backfired for the Shiv Sena.
We do not pay credence to all these surveys and all, because Shiv Sena as a party in Maharashtra, that we have a very the broadest and the best of the network as far as political parties in Maharashtra are concerned.
The poll of polls predicts a clear mandate for the BJP in Maharashtra, while the Sena could be left sulking.
We will definitely cross at least 125,000. I always believed in and we might get more than this.
But Greater Mumbai and the Konkan belt could bring some relief for the Sena, where the party is expected to make big gains. For the BJP, the tally in the Marathwad region and North Maharashtra could help clinch the deal.
ये लोग भाजपा के साथ है। मोदी जी ने जिस प्रकार का कैंपेन यहाँ पर किया है, लोगों को मोदी जी पर विश्वास है और लोग ये मानते हैं कि जो देश में सरकार है वही सरकार प्रदेश में भी आनी चाहिए।
But it is the Congress that is set for the biggest rout after May 16th.
There was hard campaigning from my side, and the other two were also campaigning. One of them was sitting MLA for a long time, and other was a BJP candidate who went from Congress to BJP. So it was hard campaigning all through.
And its former ally, the NCP, also stares at a huge loss of face. But the Pawar factor could help them retain West Maharashtra.
मुझे नहीं लगता है कि किसी भी एक पक्ष को बहुमत मिलने वाला है और महाराष्ट्र में एक मिलीजुली सरकार बनने की राह पर है.
For one, the Congress could be decimated in one of its biggest strongholds, and the breakup with the NCP has only spoiled its tally. But it is the Modi factor that has stood out in these elections, and his 27 rallies in Maharashtra could well have been the game changer. Bureau Report, Times Now.